Welcome guys, I'm glad you're back with us here at Coin Kitchen. Today it's extremely warm outside and I was thinking we could make a fresh summer recipe. I have a couple of ideas and we'll get back to all of them, but I was thinking let's start with a fresh tuna salad. First and foremost, I would like to thank Sonja Overhiser from the website acoupleofcooks.com. Her tuna salad recipe represented my inspiration for when I started playing around with making tuna salad. For a 2-people portion, what we'll need will be the following: 3 cans of tuna in oil or in water, both are okay, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 or 3 cucumber pickles, depending on their size, 2 celery stems, and we don't throw away the celery, we're going to use it for the upcoming recipe. So you can use it for more than just one thing. The freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon, 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, half a cup of mayo, and optionally, a bundle of dill. With that said, let's jump straight into the kitchen, shall we? We will begin by carefully chopping the onion, the celery stems, and the pickles. After that, we squeeze the lemon juice in a glass. All the chopped vegetables and the lemon juice are then mixed in the blender. The resulting puree is put aside in a bowl. The cans of tuna are carefully opened and drained of most of their oil. The mayo and the mustard are put in the blender. We also add the salt and pepper by taste. Finally, the tuna is placed on top and we mix it all together. From time to time, we stop the blender and with a spoon we shuffle the mix to get everything evenly spread. And then we will add the chopped vegetables back into the blender and we will mix everything together. This entire step will take a while, so relax and know that everything's okay, you're not doing anything wrong. And it's done. If you want a little bit more flavor added, I recommend you also add some chopped dill. It helps enhance the fresh flavor of the tuna salad, but it's optional, so keep that in mind. Diced, chopped, mixed and stirred. We leave it for at least 1 to 2 hours in the fridge to cool down. So here are guys, the salad has cooled. And I think it's time to try it out. I usually enjoy my tuna salad with a little bit of bread in the oven. So let's see how this goes. Look at it. It's soft, but it's not liquidly soft. It's just the perfect amount to stay on the bread. It tastes amazing. It never ceases to amaze me how fresh it is. The celery, the lemon and the onion give it a certain freshness, and then you have the sting of the Dijon mustard and the softness of mayo. Also with the tuna taste. What better to eat on a hot day like this one? Guys, here we are at the end of the video, and I'm happy that you stayed with us until now. I recommend you to make this salad at home, and if you enjoy it, please give a like, share and subscribe, and come back for future videos. We'll be here. Have a good day. This is good. This is amazing. We will need 3.
Okay.
And it's done.